Hi guys, this is Sanjay. In this video, I am going to show you how to make this paper curlicue. This can be made into many different designs. This is a very good craft which can be made with different colors of paper to make it look nice. Okay, so this is the craft I'm going to show you today. If you're new to this channel, I upload videos of crafts, drawing and cooking. So please press the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos. Okay, so now let's get started. So first you have to take two A4 sheets of paper. I am taking different colors to make it look nice. So first keep both of them behind each other. You have to make sure that they're behind each other properly. So on this side you have to mark at 6 centimeters, 11 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 18 centimeters and 20 centimeters. Then do this on the other side also. The same measurements you have to mark on this side, but on this side you have to also take this measurements: 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 17 centimeter and 19 centimeter. You have to take both of them. Then you have to cut this one, the right side, from two of them to one side. You have to cut it will look like this now. So you can take out all these extra parts, we don't need them, we only need all these parts. So first take the big one and then stick the other smaller one using a fevistick. Just stick it at this end. So you have to just stick it properly like this. You have to stick it. You have to stick all the papers like this. So first you stick this, and then after you stick all the other papers, I'll show you what to do now. So I have attached all the papers like this. Now it will look like this, big paper. So first take one paper at the starting part, then fold it a little piece in half, like only the front part should be folded half, and then fold like this, where this corner, the top corner, should touch the crease over there, and the bottom left corner should be sharp like that. And on the other paper like that only, you have to just fold it. But over here you have to do it the other side, that is the down one should go touch the crease, and the top left one should be sharp like that. You can see there, like this it should be. So now you have to keep it like this, both of them together. Then take the one on the right side and put it on the other side. Now take the other sheet and then put again this one also on this side. Then you have to keep on continuing like this to do it so that it comes very small. You have to do it like this, where the center part is seen a little bit. So I'll show you how it is. If you fold it, keep on continuously folding, it will come like this. So just fold it till the last paper is correctly folded, and you have to cut out the extra part. Now it will look like this. So take the above part. You can see the purple paper over there. You have to take it and put it behind that. Now if you see behind over there, yeah, you have to take the papers and then put it below the hexagon over there. Yeah, just do it like this. Take this and put it down. Take this and put it down like that. You have to keep on continuing it till it comes to the very end. Just take it and put it below the hexagon shape. So now I'll show you how it will look after you come to the end. it'll look like this. So you have to just put every paper down like this. So the last part you can just open it. You can open the folds over here, put this one down, then put this one, and then this part you can just fold it inward. Just put it over here, and then you can stick this to the behind part. Just stick it like this. So that's pretty much it. So now your paper curlicue is ready. And share this video to whoever likes to do crafts, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please press my channel logo to subscribe. Thank you.